For decades, building wealth relies on a fairly simple rhythm. You put your money in the market and ride the highs and lows. During your working years, that volatility is what drives the long-term climb of your account balance. But the math of your portfolio changes the moment you transition from saving to spending. When you stop adding money and start pulling it out, market timing becomes a critical variable that can jeopardize your financial security. This illustrates sequence of returns risk. If the market drops right as you begin taking withdrawals, you are forced to sell assets at their lowest value to generate cash. This permanently lowers your account's baseline, making it nearly impossible for the portfolio to recover even when the market bounces back. Because you still need that money to pay for groceries and utilities, you can't simply wait 5 years for a rebound. Selling devalued assets to cover immediate expenses accelerates the drain on your remaining principal. Successfully navigating this transition requires a shift in priority. You have to move away from a singular focus on growth and instead prioritize the prevention of loss. When faced with this risk, many retirees react by pulling all their assets out of the market. They move their money into bank CDs or standard savings accounts to avoid further losses. However, this total retreat creates a different problem. The low interest rates offered by traditional bank products often fail to keep pace with inflation, which means the purchasing power of your savings slowly erodes over a 20-year retirement. This creates the need for a safe bucket, a financial tool that provides contractual principal protection while still offering a competitive guaranteed yield. A durable retirement strategy relies on a vehicle specifically engineered to provide growth that is insulated from market swings. The Sentinel Security Personal Choice MYGA is a multi-year guaranteed annuity designed to act as that safe bucket. You deposit a premium and select a guaranteed interest rate for 3, 5, 7, or 10 years. There are no market-linked formulas. While the stock market bounces in the background, your account value grows at a steady, predictable rate. Your principal is protected by the contract. This ensures that your account value will not decrease due to stock market performance or broader economic downturns. This type of predictable compounding is a stabilizing factor for retirees who are transitioning from building assets to distributing income. By replacing market variables with guaranteed rates, the MYGA removes the anxiety of economic uncertainty from your foundational savings. A common concern with annuities is the fear of locking money away in a rigid contract that lacks flexibility. The Sentinel MYGA uses a modular design. Instead of a fixed structure, you snap on specific liquidity features your plan actually requires, like optional riders for required minimum distributions, medical events, or annual interest access. Because these features are unbundled, you only select what you need. This ensures you aren't paying for riders or benefits that don't apply to your situation. This level of customization turns the annuity into an adaptable tool that can evolve alongside your retirement needs. The Sentinel MYGA provides a stable base for the rest of your portfolio. This two-bucket strategy creates balance. Because the safe bucket provides guaranteed growth, you have the financial latitude to keep the remainder of your portfolio invested for long-term growth in the market. Retirement security comes from insulating your core assets from market swings, allowing you to maintain an investment strategy elsewhere with less personal anxiety. Executing this requires analyzing current rates, selecting the appropriate term lengths, and integrating the right optional riders. Jason Stoles and the fiduciary team at Diversified Insurance Brokers act as the architects for these customized portfolios. By maintaining active contracts with over 100 highly rated insurance carriers, they have the ability to compare the most competitive rates available in the marketplace. To move your foundational savings away from the risks of the stock market, contact Diversified Insurance Brokers today for a personalized, data-driven annuity illustration.